The world is under attack.
Oh my god, we are under attack!
By waste, and more waste.
Hello guys! Welcome to another episode of my vlog. For today's topic, we will talk about how to make a paper charcoal briquette. Do you have an idea how to do it? Okay, let me show you how. First, find a paper that is already been used, like old newspaper, scratch paper, or even old calendar. Prepare a container with a right amount of water. Put your torn paper into the water and soak it for a few minutes. Then, start tearing all the soaked papers into small pieces. Make sure that paper float in the water so that we jump into our next step. We can now start to mold the paper. Make sure to squeeze it heavily so that all the water comes out. Lastly, let it dry under the heat of the sun for a couple of days. Paper charcoal acts as an alternative fuel instead of using gas for household cooking. After 2 days, let's try to use it. Through using paper charcoal, we can save money and it is good for our environment. In order to prevent climate change, we must act now by using 5 hours method. And plant more trees as well. Be part of the solution and not be part of the problem. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye!